grilled spiny lobsters and a refreshing lemonade. My version of an adult lemonade. This is Chef Winston, and welcome to Floribbean Cuisine. That's right, here we are, season 2. We are doing up some grilled items this afternoon. Step 1, we are doing some grilled, spiny Caribbean lobster tails. Some nice, healthy, meaty lobster tails. And we're gonna wash this all down with my version of an adult lemonade. What? Yes, my Floribbean grilled lemonade. Grilled lemons, we got rum, citrus rum. Whole bunch of good stuff is happening in here. First things first, we gotta make sure our grill is nice and hot. My grill been working really, really good. Woo, I feel that heat, It's looking good, it's nice and warm, so nice and hot. Let's get our lobsters going. First things first, I've got these beautiful spiny or Caribbean lobster tails, okay? Let me wet this out of the way. And I'm gonna open up these bad boys and split them up, season them up really, really good. Okay, so I got my shears, and I'm gonna cut these up. Go straight down the middle. Straight down the middle to cut these up here. Then I'm gonna season these up really, really well with my special seasoning. And while I'm cutting these up, I'll be right back to show you guys the finishing touch. All right, so here we go. We are here opening up these lobster tails. What I'm doing, right? We can grill them, but what I said earlier was a grilled lobster tail. But we're actually gonna try to smoke these here. I wanna maintain the shape, and I wanna keep it looking nice and give it some extra flavor of the smoke, okay? Now, this is looking really, 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 really good. So let me wipe my hands a little bit here. So, I'm gonna come behind this here with a little bit of oil. And when this is all done, I'm gonna create this nice magical jerk butter. All the good flavors that's inside this jerk butter. You're gonna, ooh, yes, 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 yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my all-purpose Chef Winston gourmet seasoning, which you can get at cateringcc.com. All my spice lines are there. And I'm gonna season this here with that seasoning. Oh, let me turn it over the side. Looking good. Yes. And I'm gonna hit this here with a little bit of my island fish seasoning, seafood seasoning as well. Get that little bit of citrus going on inside. Yes, okay. That looking good. So let me go check the grill. I'll be right back. Oh yes, this grill is nice and warm. This is where I want it, okay? So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna smoke this. I got some wood chips at the bottom to give that nice extra smoke to this. They're seasoned very, very well. I got one side of the grill on, the other side is off. So it's kind of be like a, indirect heat situation going on, okay? We're gonna put this here. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Perfect. What I'm gonna do now, we're gonna close this down and let this cook. We're gonna start on our grilled lemonade. I'm so happy to share this with you guys. I'll be right back. So for my grilled lemonade, to complement the smoked lobster that's in the grill right now, this is my version, like I said before, of an adult lemonade. My grilled Floribbean lemonade. So how we're gonna accomplish is this. I got some lemon slices. We're gonna toss in sugar and we're gonna put it directly onto the grill to get nice char and smoky flavor into this lemonade. As you see, I got a jar of lemonade here already waiting to be dressed up. That's right. Okay. This here is looking like this. I'm gonna take this lemons, toss it in some sugar. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna coat both sides of this lemon. Get it over here. And we're gonna put it on to the grill to start charring, getting that nice smokiness. We're gonna put it on the side that has the flame. Okay? Lift this up. Lobsters are coming along really, really nice and slow. Over here has the flame. Perfect. So let's get a nice color on this. And we're gonna check this in about 2 minutes. I'll be right back. All right. Look how beautiful these are, nice and charred. This is what we're looking for. We don't want to burn them. We just want to get that sugar to caramelize this lemon. So it's going to impart some beautiful smoky notes into the lemonade. This Floribbean grilled lemonade, that is. And the lobster is looking oh so good, taking its time cooking and smoking down. Beautiful. Loving this, loving this, loving this, loving this. I would say about 1.5 minutes on each side to achieve, but the grill has to be hot. That's the only way this can work. The grill has to be hot. So I'm gonna pull this off now. Perfect. Woo, we are coming around, baby. Season 2, Floribbean cuisine with Chef Winston. We cooking it up. We outdoors. We in South Florida this season, and we're gonna be bringing you guys the fire, the heat, the flavor. There we go. Pearl this off. And let's put this back down so my lobsters could continue smoking. So we're gonna rest this on the side. Now, while this is resting on the side, we're gonna come back to our lemonade. There is a special butter I'm gonna create for the lobster. It's my jerk butter. A very nice, easy glaze. Now, I'm gonna take some butter and put it into this container. What I got here, this is my homemade jerk sauce. This jerk sauce composed, I use this for everything when I'm using for my catering and for my special events, when I'm doing special events. This got my garlic, my scallions, my allspices, my cinnamon, my cloves. Everything is inside here. And also, if you want to get the dry version, we also got the dry version of this, which is my jerk seasoning. A little bit of this is gonna be in here as well. So, what I'm gonna do is add this in here. Looking good. I'm gonna put a little bit of my hot jerk spice. Wake this up a little bit. Bring this together. We're gonna take some lemon that is. Squeeze inside. And of course, we gotta make it taste good, right? We're gonna mix this all up. So this is ready to baste this lobster tail, this smoked lobster. Remember, the flavor in this is insane. Everything is inside of here. So don't forget, you can find those seasonings at cateringcc.com. All right, now this is ready. Let me check my lobster to make sure it's not overcooking before we jump back on the lemonade, all right? Nice. Coming along very, very well. Loving this. Perfect. Almost there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give it a little kiss of this butter, just so it can be introduced. Just a touch, just a touch, a touch. The meat is kind of firming up, almost done. I would give it about another maybe what, 2 minutes, 3 minutes at the most. But we don't want to overcook it. We're not trying to create no rubber meat here, okay? So now, back to our lemonade. What I'm gonna do here, I've got a nice pitcher of regular lemonade. Anybody can make lemonade. Lemon and lemon juice and water. That's all this is. What I got here, guys, some citrus rum. That's right, some citrus rum. We're gonna add this to this. We ain't playing around, man. We having a party. And I'm gonna slide my grilled lemons in here. See that? Impart all of that goodness inside there. Okay? Mix this up a little bit. Oh, I mean, wondering, when is he gonna put the ice in there? It's coming. It's coming. That's why I got my beautiful glasses here. We're making individual because we got some friends around us. We gotta, you know, we gotta make sure it's proper, make sure it's right for them. Okay? So let me go get some ice real quick, and then we're gonna put this together, sip on this, and check our lobster tail. I'll be right back. Lobster's almost done. The lemonade, the grilled Floribbean lemonade is certainly done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna treat this almost like a sangria, okay? We're gonna take some of the fruit, okay? As you notice, I got a nice little cup of ice. Put one. We're gonna put one. Oh, I'm gonna make one for my friends too. We got two right here, okay? Yeah. So we're gonna take some of this and we're gonna pour this over this. Look at that, baby. The pour. Ah, I cannot wait to taste this. Now, let me get one more in here. Let's get this here a taste. How beautiful this looks, man. The grilled Floribbean lemonade. Taste. Whoa! Hold up. Yo. I don't know why to taste this first. The episode is not even over yet. But this right here, as the kids, as my daughters, and all of those, the younger kids around me would say, this is bussin'. Woo! Loving it. We're gonna set this on the side and come back to you. Don't you go nowhere, I'll be right back. Check our lobsters out. Lobsters are looking phenomenal. Woo, nice and tender. Lobsters, look at this. Nice and tender. These lobsters are done. They're nice and smoky. You can tell your lobster by the meat firming up. Lobsters don't take a long time to cook. This process here, if you set this over where the flame is on one side and over here is not that hot, it's just like warm, and keeping this closed, this should take you no more than 8, maybe 10 minutes tops. And this is looking perfect. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take some more of this lobster butter. Calling it lobster butter. This is my jerk butter, that is. Based. Paint it on there. Don't be shy. Don't be shy at all. Okay? I'll be back and plate this up and taste it and back to that lemonade. I'll be right back. Oh, we're back. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yo, I gotta come back to this, but hey, back to the main entree. The lobsters are complete. I'm obsessed with that lemonade, man. We're gonna pull this off. Look how beautiful this looks. Indirect heat. Perfect. Oh, nice, plumped, beautiful lobster tails. Look at this, guys. Perfect. So I'm gonna take some more butter, this jerk butter, and baste all over and watch it run on down. All over this lobster tail. Let it brush the tail too. Give the tail a little lipstick. How about that? Make it camera ready. Why not? Why not? Why not? So guys, as you can see how easy this was. Let me close this down. How easy this was. Quick recap. Our Season 2 lobster episode, all on the grill. Smoked lobster tails. We use some spiny Caribbean lobster tails. Open them bad boys up, butterflied it, season it really well with my all-purpose gourmet seasoning. Some a little bit of my fish, island fish seasoning as well. We put this bad boy on the grill, hot grill on the side, one side on, one side off, let it smoke slowly. And we joining this here and washing it down with this beautiful lemonade. This lemonade is basically my Floribbean grilled lemonade. Get some lemonade. Go any lemonade. Make your lemonade. Buy some lemonade. Doesn't matter what kind of lemonade you got, but to make it my version, my adult version, add some can't even get the words out. I'm so excited. Add some rum, some citrus rum, citrus rum to this. Ice, grilled lemon slices. That's it. Oh my goodness. All right. The lemonade we know is good. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? I'm so excited. Let me take a little taste of this lobster meat. Yo, the smoke, number one. That's what hit my palate first. Then the spices to follow. Then it melt in my mouth. This right here is a winner. Sipping it down with my Floribbean grilled lemonade. I'm Chef Winston, and thank you for joining me on this episode of Floribbean Cuisine. And don't forget, check me out, Catering CC on Instagram, Catering CC on YouTube, and get our spices, our beautiful gourmet spices on cateringcc.com. Cheers.